Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. My name is Jessica Moore of Miss Moore Style and I am here to do a Shoedazzle unboxing haul with you. So let's check them out. If you guys are new here, you know what to do. Hit that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, and leave me a comment down below of which pair of shoes was your favorite and how you would wear them. I love talking to you guys in the comments and getting to know you all. I'm fairly new here on YouTube, so I'm just really excited to be here and start a really fun community of like-minded people who love finding affordable fashion and beauty. I have been a Shoedazzle VIP member for the last 8 years, and I honestly cannot recommend that membership more. Here is why I really love it. Essentially, you are getting access to really adorable, fashion-forward, fun shoes at a price point that honestly, it's ridiculous how they price their shoes this way. When you're a Shoedazzle VIP member, you can buy so many fun pairs of shoes for $39.99 a pair. I think it's a great way to just constantly change up your look, reinvigorate your wardrobe. My motto is the more shoes, the better. Shoedazzle really helps me grab new pairs of shoes that I love and accessorize my outfits on another level. I probably own about, oh gosh, somewhere in the 20s. I would say I own about 25 pairs of Shoedazzle shoes. I just love it. They're always coming out with new fun styles and I find myself grabbing new pairs from them all the time. I love Shoedazzle shoes because they're so inexpensive. They have these details on them that look high-end. Like the shoe was a lot more expensive than it was. And I also love Shoedazzle because they're always keeping on top of the latest trends. Without further ado, let's get into this unboxing. Oh, that's a big box. First up, we have the Anja. Ooh, how fun are these? So in case you all are not aware, snakeskin is everything right now, and these Anja mule pumps are the perfect way to incorporate this trend in a look. I absolutely love that they're slip-on and the heel is nice and high for those of you who like to add some height to your look. These are so chic. I would probably wear these with an outfit of just like all neutrals, just to give it that little extra edginess to the look. Okay, next up we have the Lily. Oh my god, these are so extra. Get ready for this. How fun are these? Oh my god. These are a high heel sandal with a little ankle strap going on right there. And they have got this really fun print going on. Obviously you can see this sort of swirly red detail, but if you look on the heel, we've got a fierce, colorful leopard print, and then, you know, it also sort of merges into this palm print pattern. So they look a little bit mismatched, but I honestly really love that about them. And these would be so sexy for like a night out, date night, put on like a fun dress. And you know, you could either wear it with just like a little black dress if you wanted to keep it like the shoes as the focal point, or if you wanted to go for a full-on look. Honestly, I would wear these with like almost any color because they're incorporating a bunch of colors in the pattern. So you could have a lot of fun with these. Okay, next up we have the Isa. Ooh. These are freaking adorable. Here's the Isa. I am really loving these low block heels. As much as I love to wear a high heel, some days my feet just are not about that life. And you just gotta give your feet a little bit of a rest, but I do always love to have a little bit of height. So I know that these are gonna be extremely comfortable and I can just wear them all day, running around, doing errands. They're super versatile. I think these would look so cute with a sundress, maybe just like a white dress and a big sun hat going out for brunch. These I know I'm gonna get a ton of wear out of just because they're super wearable. Last but not least, I have the Imogen Espadrille Wedge Sandal. Ooh, yes! These are making me want to go on vacation right now. Look at these wedges, guys. The little like stitching detail right there. This is one of the reasons why I think Shoedazzle just really like hits it out of the park, because just like the little details make the shoe look more expensive than it is. These wedges are faux suede, but they look incredible. They look like a designer shoe. Love that it's got just the little simple over the toe and then a little ankle strap. These are gonna be so great in the summer with jeans and a cute blouse. You could also wear them with dresses, maybe if you're going to like a wedding, especially for outdoor weddings. Wedges are fantastic for that. The color is so pretty. Well guys, that concludes my Shoedazzle haul. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I really enjoyed making it and I'm so excited to wear my new shoes. You guys want to go shop some Shoedazzle shoes yourself? Right now you can get your first pair of Shoedazzle shoes for $10. I mean, what else this cool can you get for $10? If you all enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, leave me a comment down below, subscribe to my channel so that you never miss one of my awesome videos, which will be uploaded once a week on Mondays. Life's too short to wear boring shoes. Shop at Shoedazzle. I hope you guys have a great rest of your afternoon and a great rest of your week. Thanks for watching. Bye guys.